Today I want to show you how to write your conclusion, which includes the results and the conclusion. So the first step is you have to have your graph done. If you don't have your graph done, it's going to be really hard for you to write your results, because the first thing you're going to do is describe your graph in words. We're going to pretend like this graph is a science fair research project that I did. So we're going to say that I went to Steve's pet shop and I looked at all the different kind of animals that Steve sells, and then I counted how many different species there are of each one. So see, there's 12 different kinds of cats, and I didn't know there was 12 kinds of cats, but apparently Steve sells 12 kinds of cats, and he sells 6 different kinds of dogs, 4 different kinds of rabbits, 24 different kinds of fish, 9 different kinds of snakes, 10 different kinds of rodents, and 7 different kinds of bugs. So I have to type a description of this graph in words. So I'm going to say, all right, the type of animal with the most species available at Steve's pet shop is fish. Oh wait, I'm going to put a comma there. With 25 different kinds. Okay, now I'm going to keep on going. There are 12 species of cats. See, I decided to start with the highest, and I'm going to keep on going on down. There are 12 species of cats. I'm going to put a comma here because I don't want to write a million sentences. I just want to get this done and have it be semi-okay to read. 12 species of rodents. Can you imagine all those different rodents? What do you think he has? Hamsters, rats, mice? I don't know. 9 species of snakes, which might be right up some of your alley, but I really don't care for snakes. 7 species of bugs. Ugh, I wonder if they're all meant to be pets, or if some of them are meant to be pet food for some of the things. 6 species of dogs. And only 4 species of rabbits. Okay, now, that was my first step. I just described my graph in words. Now I have to write 1 or 2 sentences that summarize these results. So I'm going to say, by far, the best selection of species at Steve's pet shop is found in the fish department. Okay, so, if you want to go there, there's going to be the most kinds of fish. These are my results. So it's going to say results right here. Next, I'm going to do my conclusions. And my conclusions take a few more steps. The first thing that you have to do is it's going to start with my hypothesis. Hypothesis is that, and then really easily, if you do this in your science fair planner, you can go up, copy your hypothesis, you push Control C, come right down here and paste it in. So I'm going to do that. It's going to be colored so we can see it. Okay, my hypothesis is that if the numbers of species of available animals are counted, then more dog species will be available than any other animal at Steve's pet shop. I'm going to make this so we can see the whole thing too. Okay, next step is you're going to say whether or not your results support your hypothesis. Hypothesis. Well, I said there were going to be more dogs, and there's not. There's more fish. So I have to say my results do not support my hypothesis. Okay, now I get to tell what I think. And this is where I explain what happened and why, not what happened, but why it happened. So I think that, and I've already typed this up, so to save time, I'm going to copy and paste it in here, okay? I think that fish are the easiest animal to care for. They're beautiful and interesting to look at and are fairly inexpensive. These reasons are why Steve's Pet Shop carries the most species of fish. I had thought that Steve's Pet Shop would offer more dog species because almost everyone I know owns a different kind of dog. But I found that dogs take a lot of work and they are expensive. So now I've got that in there. Turn all of this to the right color for you so you can see it a little better. Maybe. Never mind, it's not going to happen. Now the next step is that I have to say what I would do if I were to continue this research. So in the future, and I'm going to say that the best way to start the sentence is you just say, an interesting future study might involve testing. See, an interesting future study might involve testing if this is true in most pet shops. So I could go around to other pet shops and do the same survey and find out if this were true in other pet shops. All right, so this is how you're going to do your results and conclusions. All right, and please do this right in your at the bottom of your planner, and that way when I print it for you, I just print one thing. All right, thank you.